point of interest. So what am I going to bring up? Today, social media exists almost exclusively to give me the point of interest. So go to Facebook, their company Facebook page, not personal. Go to their Twitter account. Go to their company Instagram account. Anything they put in those channels is totally a point of interest. Like we did the Run for the Cure, for In the Funnel. The fact that I've got a point of interest, I've got to have that front of mind. By the way, this takes a grand total of about 4.5 minutes maximum. Bang, ba-bang, ba-bang, ba-bang. And then finally, what I really like to always have in my pocket, point of view. You've got to have a point of view on, how can you help? Now, doesn't mean we're pitching blindly, but at some point in time, you're going to engage with someone who's just very direct. Okay, Jay, thanks for the call. Got it. Who are you guys? What do you think you can help? So that's where the value proposition is going to come in. We're going to talk about demand generation this afternoon. But here's my point of view. It may not be perfect, but here's the point of view. So this is preparation we do for inside sales to initiate a meeting. By the way, when I do sales calls, I'm not afraid to have somebody's LinkedIn profile printed out in front of me. Easiest icebreaker in the world. Immediately, the guy is going to go, he looked me up on LinkedIn, or I have a couple of snapshots of their website.